I heat a fry pan here and combined a little bit of the butter and a little bit of the olive oil for the flavor, and I add in the chopped off white onion, and I stir fry them for a little bit until they are a little softened. By the way, welcome back to my channel, Nita Arisanti, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends also if you liked my videos and recipes. And I add in the carrot, and I stir fry them until the carrots are a little softened before I add the beef, as we are making the beef fried rice today. Add in chopped garlic as the carrots are soft, and followed by frozen peas and any vegetables if you prefer anything you like. And then we're going to stir fry them until the vegetables are soft. Pinch of salt for the flavor to taste. Add in the sliced beef and stir them occasionally. And I add a little bit of the ox sauce, or you can use the shrimp paste or even fish sauce if you like, for the additional flavor actually, which is really yummy and delicious with this. Stir them and mix them together. And I just really want the beef cooked evenly. Add in the rice finally. And then I put dust of the curry powder for the really beautiful flavor and color. A little bit of the oyster sauce in. Not too much, just for the flavor, and sweet soya sauce. And everything is actually depend of your flavor, depend of your taste. And a little bit of the light soya sauce, and if you feel really want more, and then you can put more. And this is a ground white pepper. Salt to taste. Mix them together and stir them until they are cooked evenly and mixed evenly. So stir them occasionally like so. Look at that. It's really beautiful and it smells so good, trust me. It's delicious beef fried rice. And the last thing, I add fresh sweet basils for the more fragrance and delicious flavor. And look at that, it really smells incredible in my kitchen, trust me. So I hope you enjoyed my videos and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next videos. Bye.